Hi guys, this is Alejandro Cosme, buyer's representative with Moskito Real Estate. I'm here at the commercial area in Aldea Zama. This beautiful walking street is surrounded by nature and where most of the restaurants in this area are located. Like this place behind me that offers delicious, healthy food that you must try. Please join me in this new listing that we have in the area.
Sanctuary is a project from a popular and reputable developer in Tulum real estate, and this resale checks all the boxes when it comes to a property that you can live in, spend your vacations in, and rent when you're not in Tulum. Sanctuary is located in Aldea Zama, a popular residential area in Tulum real estate. The infrastructure of this community is what sets it apart from other areas in Tulum, with underground utilities, paved roads, and a commercial area, all while being just 10 minutes from the beach and downtown Tulum. Condo Sanctuary is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo with a lock-off suite. A lock-off suite gives you multiple options for renting and using your condo. You can rent this bedroom separately, almost like a hotel room, with its own separate entrance, bathroom, and a balcony. A spacious condo of over 1,800 square feet, the options are endless when it comes to how you want to use your new home in paradise. Common areas of Sanctuary feature 2 swimming pools, one on the ground floor and a second on the rooftop. A gym overlooking the pool, secured entry, and parking. This condo is a great option for someone looking for a finished product from a popular developer in Tulum, Mexico.
This is Alejandro Cosme, buyer's representative with Moskito Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions regarding this property or any other property, feel free to write me an email or just call me directly to my phone.